A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing all?
We are fine, sir.
Very nice. Everybody is fine. That's good. Okay. Even we are not fine, we should say we are fine, because if we say we are fine, then there is something like confidence on the faces. Okay. So be always fine, because that affects psychologically. Okay, dear students, today I would like to do something, some exercise with you. And in exercise, what you have to do, I'll give you chance one by one to those who are confident to ask some questions of day-to-day life and some questions of introduction. So that just we are going to do, and I'm just shooting this video and I will upload this on YouTube. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Who can do this activity? Just raise your hand. Who can come and ask questions to the friends? All right, just down your hands. Pranjal, are you Pranjal?
Yes.
Come here, beta. You start. The starting you are getting. Okay? Speak with confidence.
A very good morning to all of you. Greetings at the feet of Ma Saraswati. Thank you, sir, for giving me chance to handle this class. Let me introduce myself. I am Pranjal Joshi. I do study in class 7th in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Dharyavad. I am basically from Dharyavad. My age is 13 and my hobby is painting. Here I am ready to handle this class. So who can introduce yourself in English? Let me speak. Wait, I am giving chance to everyone. Alright? First chance will be given to Bhavishya. Bhavishya, stand up and introduce yourself in English.
I am Bhavishya Sen. I study in class 7 in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Dharyavad. My age is 13 and my hobbies are playing games.
Tell me, Bhavishya, about your aim of life.
I want to become doctor.
What is your father?
My father is a government teacher.
And what about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Well done. Sit.
Very nice. Carry on.
Now you stand up. Can you introduce yourself in English?
Yes, I can.
Okay, speak.
I am Pulak Kochave. I study in class 7 in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Dharyavad. I live in Dharyavad. I am 13 years old. My hobby is playing cricket.
Tell me, Pulak, at what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on cycle.
Are you basically from Dharyavad?
Yes, I am basically from Dharyavad.
Okay, sit.
Good confidence.
Now, Nidhi, you stand up. Tell me, in which class do you study?
I study in class 7.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher
Why do you want to become a teacher?
because of respect.
Okay, sit up. Thank you, everybody, for cooperating me.
Oh, very nice confidence, beta. Pranjal, very nice. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Have you seat. Okay, now to whom I should give chance? Let me confirm by your face. Confident. Confidence should be there. Jigar, can you?
Yes, sir.
Come.
Can I start, sir?
Okay, start, beta.
Good morning, everyone, and attention, please. My name is Jigar Taylor. I am 13 years old. I do my studies in Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Dharyavad. In class 8, I like to play cricket and badminton. Before I start, I would like to give a big thanks to Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Dharyavad for this fabulous chance, and it's my pleasure to do this class. Okay, I am here to take this class. Okay, let's start. So, first chance will be given to Agrim. Agrim, stand up and introduce yourself in short.
I am Agrim. I study in class 7th in Mahatma Gandhi Government School. I am 12 years old and I like to play cricket.
Okay, in which locality do you live?
I live in Patwa colony nearby my school.
Okay, that's good. Have you any brother or sister?
Yes, I have an elder sister.
What does she do?
She is a student of class 12.
Okay, and what's about your parents?
My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife.
Okay, you said well. Please sit down.
Good. Very nice.
Now I want to ask some question regarding to your daily routine. So who is confident now? That's good. But now I want to give chance to Palak. Palak,
Okay.
stand up.
Wait. What you have to do is speak clear. Okay. Your voice should be very clear. So whatever you are speaking, it should be listened by everybody. Okay. Whoever listen to you, your voice and your words should be crystal clear. Okay. Try to speak clear. Okay.
Continue, sir.
Repeat
At
the
what time
question,
do you
yes.
wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
How do you come to school?
I come to school on foot with my sister.
What do you do after come to school?
Then I go to class.
Wait. Here, what do you do after coming to school? That is the correct sentence. You did mistake. Carry on, beta. What do you do? Tell
Then
me.
I go to classroom. At same time I meet my friend. Then first period starts. Then Maths teacher comes in our class, then he teaches maths.
All right,
then
you
so
sit down, beta. Okay, next. All right, good confidence he has. Very nice. Really, are you impressed with him or not? Yes. Look at how much confidence he has. Means speaking with confidence, that's called the quality in government school. So this Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Daryavad, should have, the quality. Everybody should be impressed. Whenever somebody comes to our school, should be impressed that you people are speaking English. Very nice. Have you seat? Okay. The same thing I would like to do. This video is going to be very long. So just come fast, Pulak. Can you? I think you can. Okay, speak with confidence and clear your voice.
a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to give thanks to Mahatma Gandhi Government School to upgrade personality and confidence in every field of our day-to-day life. Now I am asking question to my friends. Everybody is ready?
Yes.
Okay, you stand up. Speak your introduction.
I am Swatan Chaudhary, studying class 7 in Mahatma Gandhi Government School. I live in Daryavad. My hobbies are playing cricket.
Okay, how many brothers do you have?
I do not have brother.
Speak loudly.
I do not have brother. I have three sisters, three elder sisters.
Okay.
What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
Okay, sit down. You stand up. Who are you?
I am Raghav.
Are you from Pratapgarh district?
Yes, I am from Pratapgarh.
Tell us a very famous place of Pratapgarh district.
Jaipur Dam and Sitamata Wildlife Sanctuary.
Okay, sit down. Thank you, sir, for cooperating me.
Okay, very nice, beta. Take your seat. Very nice. Everybody has confidence. Really, I'm really impressed with you. Keep speaking in English. Okay? The respect, the honor you will get. You can have this respect in our school. So keep speaking in English. Have a good day. Thank you very much.